All right, let's see what these shapes are called, Kyson. What's that?
Circle.
Good job, circle.
Oval.
Good job,
Oh.
oval.
Square.
Just wait.
Oh.
What is it going to be?
B.
What is that?
Square.
Square. Good job.
Domino.
That's called a rectangle, Kyson.
Waikiki.
What shape is this?
Domino.
What is it?
Domino.
Triangle. Good job. He said triangle. What's that?
X.
Good job. Kyson knows his shapes, Uncle Casey.